Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to add two email ID in iPhone. Let me show you how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon to get all kind of notification. Yes, from my mobile I would like to install the application called Gmail. So once I install the application called Gmail, I would like to add my personal email as well as my official email, so both emails it may come. So I have installed the application called Gmail, so I would like to add a more account so that my personal account as well as my official account. So what I have to do here, so just go to Gmail apps. So this is my personal account, so only one account I have available. So I just click here to see my account. I would like to add more account to view my official ID. So what I have to do here, so just add another account in Gmail. So just click here, add another account, and it will ask you whether you want Google account, iCloud, or Office or Yahoo. Which account you want, you can add. For example, if your Office will have Outlook or Office or Yahoo, any services you can add. So I just select Google because my account is in Gmail. So just click continue. So once it continue means it will move into the browser. So just give your email ID or the phone number. I just give my official email ID. So I have given my official email ID and I just click here to next. Once I click the next option, it will ask the password. So give the password. So I given the password, just click the next option. So once I click the next option, automatically my email, that is my official email, also will be added into my iPhone, so that it is easy to access. So first time if I add means it will ask you for the chat and Meet, Google Meet, and everything will be there. So within a few minutes I can add my more email from different kind of services using my Gmail application. So this is my Gmail app. I just opened the Gmail app. So on top you will find an option called user symbol, that is your user name. So just click here. You want to shift into your personal account, just select here. This is my personal account. If I want to shift into official account, I just click here. So this is my personal account detail and this is my official account. I just select here. Automatically my official account will be added over here. So it is a beautiful option, so you can read and you can get a different kind of option over there. So this is a beautiful option. So while you want to add more account, just select here to add another account, and it is whether iCloud or whatever services you can choose, and you can enter the name of your email account and you can add more account. Up to 10 or 15 account I have added, so that you also can add and work with your professional works. If it is easy tips means, please share with your friends for the iPhone and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.